In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment card to Google Wallet using NFC on your phone. To get started, the first thing you need to do is make sure NFC is turned on. NFC is the feature that allows your phone to communicate securely for contactless payments. So this part is essential. The quickest way to do this is to swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings, then look for the NFC icon and tap it to turn it on. If you don't see it there, you can also open your phone settings, go into Connections, and then select NFC and contactless payments. Once it's enabled, your phone is ready for the next step. Now open the Google Wallet app. If it's already installed, just tap to launch it. This is where your digital payment cards and other wallet items are stored, and it's the app you'll use to set everything up for tap to pay. Once you're inside Google Wallet, tap Add to Wallet and then choose Payment Card. This tells the app that you want to add a debit or credit card for contactless payments. The app will guide you through the setup process, and it's designed to be straightforward. So just follow the prompts carefully as they appear on screen. Next, scan your card using your phone's camera. Try to hold the card steady in a well-lit area so the details can be captured clearly. If needed, you can also enter the card information manually, but scanning is usually the fastest option. After that, review and confirm the billing information connected to the card. Make sure everything is accurate, because the bank may use this information to verify the card before approving it for mobile payments. The final part of the setup is SMS verification. Your bank may send a one-time verification code by text message so it can confirm that you're the cardholder. Enter the code when prompted to complete the process. This security step helps protect your account and ensures the card is being added by the right person. After verification is complete, your card should be added to Google Wallet and ready to use for contactless payments. If your bank takes a little longer to approve the card, just wait a few moments and check the app again. That's it. With NFC turned on and your card successfully added, your phone is now set up for quick and convenient tap-to-pay purchases.